Good morning, everyone. So today we're gonna just do a quick garden tour. It might not be too quick, but y'all are gonna see. So this is some cilantro. This is like my herb pot, and I kind of threw a whole bunch of different herbs in here. There's some different ones. Oops, there we go. Down there, I don't remember what they are. I did not label this, did I? Let me see. Did I? Nope, I just got a stick in there. Good job, Sasha. Anyway, so this is cilantro, and this is some type of pepper plant. What pepper plant? Ask somebody else because I have no idea. But either which way, it's gonna grow, and yeah, that's all that really matters. So that's what we got going on with this. This is my potatoes I had sitting. I'm going to be planting some potatoes today because I need to get those in so I can have a harvest for the fall and the winter. And these are the other seedlings that I have. You got some cauliflower over there, broccoli, your Russian kale. These are the different basils that I have. Let me see if it can, come on, show up on there. I think it's just the sun. Well, anyway, the one right here, that's sweet basil. This is purple basil, Ruffles basil. And this is dark moss curled parsley. Um, So I'm going to be thinning these out today so then they can go into their new homes. And thinning is when you just take one of the seedlings just like this. Come on now. A lot of people don't like to thin because it's like, oh no, we got to waste it. It wasn't supposed to do all of that. Well, that can be a whole, you can actually plant that. I'm going to just put you over here. We're going to just put you over there because you had one job. Anyway, so thinning. So you grab it here, right? And just hold it down a little bit at the base and then just pull up. And that's what happens. That is thinning, okay? And you can thin them and put them off to the side, plant them somewhere else or whatever. You can share them with a neighbor because, again, they're still your seedlings and they're still good. And good meaning that they have a root. So it'll definitely grow wherever you decide to plant them. Yeah, let's see what else we have. So on my porch, my pepper plants, I planted, these are my jalapenos. I harvested a lot yesterday. One of them turned red, which is pretty cool. But yeah, my peppers, they're still coming in strong and they did really, really well uh, over the summer. I'm super excited about that. This is my basil here. Yup. I'm going to be trimming some of that. This is some lettuce. I'll be trimming some of that. This is, what is this? That's a pepper plant. What pepper plant? I have no idea. And I don't really care too much. This is ginger. I planted a piece of ginger that I had left in my kitchen. So I planted that, and this is what we got. This is the rest of the ginger. Here is another, this is my banana pepper plant. I harvested a lot from this plant as well yesterday. You can see one right there. Yeah, so the peppers, they're doing really well, and they're still going strong. Let's go into the garden. So before I go into the garden, this right here is a morning glory, and I planted this. Now, I did my research on the morning glories, right? And I said, let me just give it a go. I put it somewhere where I really needed a lot of flowers. This right here, okay? Please tell me why. That thing done rooted and sprouted. Look where it went. It traveled from there all the way around over here. And so they're blue. The sun is like super bright this morning, if you can see it. These are blue morning glories. See it right there? And they're just out here. Like, how did y'all get over here so fast? But it's gonna be really pretty for next season. In the spring, I mean. So that's going to be a good thing. Well, I'm just going to think positive about it because I don't know. It's my first time planting it, but I did read a lot of the negative, the cons to planting morning glories. Yes, they can be a lot and they will take over your garden. So if you don't want that, don't plant them. And if you're okay with it, then plant them. But nonetheless, they actually really a beautiful plant. And so, yeah, look at that. It hasn't really bloomed yet. You can't really see the color too much because the sun is doing its thing this morning, which is a beautiful thing. Thank God that we woke up. So, yeah, let's go into the garden. So this is my dad's plant, and it is dying back. It is done for the season. It's not growing. I cut off right here. Those are the long flowers that bloom in the springtime, in the summer. Yep, so this is going to die back and it's going to get completely flat and just get ready for this cold weather that we're about to get, which I really, really hate. I hate winter with everything in my soul. I hate it. But yeah, we all have to go through it. So yeah, let's go into the garden. Okay, so I've been working and I haven't really had time to be in my garden, but this is what happened. That is one of my corn stalks over here. If that's what you call them. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And, you know, I don't think I'm getting no corn on the cob. I don't think so. There was one here. I don't know. But you know what I'm going to do with these? I'm going to completely take them out of this grow bag here. I'm going to remove all of them. This one's like super tall. And, just tall doing a whole bunch of nothing. Like y'all just doing nothing. So there's a corn on the cob here. I say corn on the cob. What they call it? Corn husk. Y'all know what I'm saying. I guess this was supposed to be one here. Yeah, and it's just not doing well. So that's okay. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to harvest them, and I'm going to make them into fall decorations, and I'm going to put them out in my front yard. That's what I'm going to do. We're going to get festive and creative here. Um, so that's what we're doing with that. This spot right here is where I had my potatoes and my sweet potatoes. I'm going to be rehoming this area again for my potatoes today. And yeah, so the wind is definitely windy today. This is my patty pan squash. You see the flowers as beautiful as they always are. Hold on. Let's do that like that. There's a lot of mildewy. Oh my goodness, I love the smell of the zucchini, the squash plants. However, so yesterday I need to get up in here. I need to get my gloves. I had cut my first patty pan squash. Y'all see my other videos. It got nice and big, but the vine borers came and took over my squash. So that one is gone. But I still have hope, you know. There's plenty more to come, and I'm going to spray some neem oil. I'm going to cut some of these off, the leaves, because we just don't need that. And I'm hoping that I can get some more squash for this season. We shall see. Yeah, but it's looking struggles right now. It's like what do we want to grow? That's what's going on here. This is my okra. It's not okra, I tell you that. I don't really know. So yeah, I have my artichoke here. Artichoke said, bye, we're not doing this. We don't got time for you. Those are the rainbow carrots over there. And these are my baby patio eggplants. They're doing really well. They're actually coming in a whole lot more this season, which is so beautiful. Yes. And over the summer, I didn't let them grow because as big, but y'all see the close up. Hold on. They're so beautiful. And they taste really good too. Um, because they said that they don't get that big, but somebody lied to me because this is, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Look at this one, you guys. OMG, that is, wow. That is amazing. Yeah, so we got some eggplants. Okay, there we go. That is beautiful. I'm so happy about that. Here's another one of my sweet banana pepper plants. We got some beans down here. Y'all see it. The little green beans. I'll be harvesting those today. And I had some, I think it was a couple of weeks ago, and they were really fresh. This is my cucumber, and it's doing its thing. It's vining, it's growing, and all of that. I'm most certain I will not get any cucumbers as I planted this late, and I'm okay with that. It's very windy out. Here's my beans. More beans. More beans. Let's see what else we got over here. Yep, these are more beans in this grow bag. No beans have sprouted yet. Yep, that's that. Now this is my eggplant. This is the Black Beauty eggplant. So I took that one off and we got the flowers. I'm going to hand pollinate those today. And there's another flower there. These are the aubergine flowers. They're so pretty. They are so pretty. So I'm going to hand pollinate those today, and we shall see. I think, really, to be quite honest, I don't know. I feel like it's done for the season. All I'm getting is a whole bunch of leaves. It grew up to be like really pretty. If y'all look at my older videos, you'll see the discovery that I learned with this particular plant. And yeah, this had zucchini in here. It had to go. It died out. This is my collard greens, and they're just doing what they do. A whole bunch of nothing, just growing really slow. So I'll just let them be. And let's see. Yep, the bugs be over here just tearing up my stuff, as y'all can see it. And I haven't gotten any sheet cloths. The sheet cloth, I haven't gotten that yet. Let me see. Nope. But I will. Like I said, I've been working, so really haven't had the time. That's just a whole bunch of herbs in there. There's lavender over there. Yep, they in there just eating up all my stuff. But anywho, look at this. This is from my peas, my snap peas. Look how long this thing has grown. Sheesh. It just hooked onto my pepper plant. This is the lettuce. Look how tall the lettuce have gotten. Wow. Got some green peppers here. These are small green peppers. You just make sure. Yep, those are small green peppers. You can see them over there. The mini ones. So, yep, those are still coming in strong, doing their thing. These are my tomato plants. My tomato plants, they're dying. But I'm still getting tomatoes, as you can see over there, down there, over there. So I have 3 of them. And remember I told you these are going to be compost anyway because they're already like split. Again, I haven't been out here, so. Yep, but nonetheless, when I cut them, I still get some fresh ones, which is a blessing. Yep. More collard greens right there. And they actually started growing really, really nice for me, which I love that. More green peppers, y'all see them. A whole bunch more. So my peppers, they're doing their thing. I'll tell you that. They have done their job. Let's see. More peppers. These are banana peppers. Let's see. I think this one is just slowing down. Nonetheless, they're still growing though. Oh, look. They ain't slowing down that much. Y'all see it. Okay. And Let's see. We got more peppers still growing on this one. See? And those are my cayenne peppers. I just made a salsa. I just crushed up a whole bunch of different peppers that I had yesterday. And I put it in a mason jar that I had saved. Yeah, and it tastes really good. So, you know, use what you have and make do with what you got going on. Now, this is the surprise that I was super, super stoked about yesterday. So this is my Tomatillo plant, and it just keeps falling over because I need to get bigger sticks. Like the branches are like so thick and heavy, like these little bamboo that it's not doing anything. But let me tell you, I've been waiting all season for them to grow. Y'all can check out my older videos. But look what we have here. Look who is growing. OMG. Tomatillo City. Y'all see this? It's Tomatillo City. They're finally growing. They are finally growing. Like, oh my goodness. The whole entire plant. So I'm going to get this up off the ground here. And yeah, we got more peppers down there. There's some more green peppers. I already harvested some yesterday. And jalapenos. That's a marigold in there. And that's spinach, I believe. That's something. I'm not really sure. But yep, that's what the garden's looking like. I'm going to clean up my tomato plants today. These ones, 1, 2, and 3. That one is looking really good. But these ones, we tired. We did our job. See, all that. I'm going to trim all that off of there. You know, make sure you trim off dead. Because like anything, you keep something that's dead on you when you're trying to live, it's no good. So, yep, this is what my full garden is looking like today. Thank you for watching. And, yeah. Please like, comment, share. Definitely, definitely, definitely subscribe. Trying to get those subscribers up. Oh, yeah. And if you know, you know. That's my strawberry plant and just over there just not doing nothing. So I'm certain that I will definitely have strawberries come spring and summer. Definitely summer next year. So with all of that, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Take care.